Today I'll show you how easy it is to create an embeddable Nexus calculator from your own Excel spreadsheet. We'll be creating a time of use calculator that your utility customers can use to see how much they can save by switching to time of use rates. First, let's take a look at the finished product on nexus.com/tools for public utilities. Scroll down the page and you see the calculator. We can choose the season, summer or winter, and the average monthly usage. We can also check to see how using certain appliances will affect our peak demand charges. Those charges can really add up if we check too many boxes. This looks great. So how do we build it? Let's take a look at the Excel spreadsheet. Over on the right-hand side, we see a couple of tables containing our rate information. We'll use this in our calculations to determine the charges based on season, average monthly usage, and peak demand charges. The blue cells you see on the left-hand side are our input cells that the user can enter values into. The green box in the center is where our calculated outputs are shown. These are ordinary Excel formulas doing calculations based on the rate table and user inputs. Note the placeholder for the chart. To the right of that is a table of data that drives the chart. The values in the table come from the calculations in the green box. Now let's click over to the Worksheet tab named Nexus.app. This is a special worksheet that tells the Nexus platform how to create the calculator from our spreadsheet. At the top, you see it starts with the keyword App in cell A1, followed by Time of Use Calculator. This line specifies the name of the calculator application. Next, in cell A3 you see the keyword View. A view is what the user sees on the screen. We specify the range A1 through I37 on sheet 1 to be the view. The next line specifies which cells in the view can accept input from the users. In this case, we've used defined names in Excel rather than cell addresses to make it more readable. The three inputs are cells named Season, Monthly kWh, and Other kW respectively. The next section is a slider definition. Sliders allow the user to set the value in an input cell by moving the slider rather than typing a value. This slider definition says to place the slider in the cell named kWh slider and link to the input cell named monthly kWh. The slider value ranges from a minimum of 500 to a maximum of 5,000 kilowatt-hours, in steps of 10. Following the slider definition, we see the checkbox definition. On the spreadsheet, the cells we've defined as checkboxes simply contain ones and zeros. A1 means the box is checked, and 0 means it is not. They provide a nicer user experience by allowing us to click the checkbox rather than typing in ones and zeros on our calculator. Finally, we have the chart definition. We want the chart to be displayed in the cell named comparison_chart within the view. We choose a color palette compatible with our brand. We specify the chart type to be stacked column, and that the chart source data comes from the table named chart_source. We specify to show the total charge above each chart column, and to place a legend on the right. This is all the information needed to turn our Excel sheet into a beautiful web calculator for embedding on your site. Let's upload it and create our calculator. First, we log in to the Nexus platform where we see a dashboard listing all of our apps. Click Create New to begin. Next, select a spreadsheet to upload. Our spreadsheet is named CCEC_TOU_calculator.xlsx. When the spreadsheet is uploaded, the Nexus platform reads and verifies the configuration information provided on the Nexus.app worksheet. Looks like the configuration was successful, so the next step is to preview the calculator and make sure it looks and works as intended. Everything looks great, so we're ready to click Publish Your App and get it live on the internet. Click Deploy Now and you see that it has been published to the internet. Yay! Let's click the green link and give it a try. Everything is working correctly. Now, how do we get it embedded in a website? Go back to the management screen and click App Sharing Options. You'll see a variety of codes to copy and paste into a web page. If you are using WordPress, Nexus even has a WordPress plugin that makes it very easy to incorporate the calculator and embed directly in your WordPress page. In any case, simply copy and paste the appropriate embed code in your web page and you will have a beautiful Nexus time of use calculator appear on your site. I hope that this video has shown you how easy it is to build powerful and user-friendly calculators for your website using Excel and Nexus. Visit our website, nexus.com, then click on Case Studies and select Tools for Public Utilities to learn more.